Yo, we are so ready, bro.
Uh-huh.
We're going to the boiler room, right, guys?
Huh?
Oh. Why does it always go for me first?
Yo, he's going straight to you.
Okay, so I realized that I only have about 40 seconds of footage. And absolutely nothing to see here. And the problem is I'm going on vacation for like 2 weeks, I think. Right now it is 2:54 a.m. Now I'm just gonna be playing till 4 a.m. dude. Okay, so we're back at it again. I did a little bit of mining off camera. You may be wondering, why does this say episode 3 if the last video was on episode 4 of the Backrooms? This video was like the intro was filmed before my last video. Yeah, me and my cousins haven't had any time to hop on the game, so yeah, that kind of sucks. Yeah, come on, dude, I am tough, bro. Okay, I'm gonna have to be going to the boiler room now. Yo, what is so good about liquid paint, bro? Genuinely, like, the most useless object in this game. Oh, shoot. I have another video to upload. Since last time, since, like, the intro, I tried going to the boiler room with, Joshua and, you know, the stranger Trapple. But, my attempts weren't successful. Oh, my God, dude, I just realized. Can I do this before 4 a.m.? Okay. I don't have this map memorized from like the top of my head, so. Oh, the armory. Okay, this is good. Level 8 track. Wait, am I? Oh my God, I passed track by an Uzi now. I am the goats. Let's ask. Do you guys know where the exit to level 1 is? Please tell me.
Yeah,
Please tell me, bro. I can only play for an hour. Please.
but it's a bit easy to get lost.
Oh, shoot. Bro, as long as you try your best to guide me, it's all
Follow,
good.
I just don't promise it to be fast.
Okay. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you. I see. I trust this guy. This guy's an AK. Thank you, dog boy. Oh my God, I need to buy more ammo. What am I doing? Oh my God, dude. I'm gonna get spread open, bro. Yo,
Door.
the exit. Oh my God, genuinely the goat. Yo, if it wasn't for him, bro, take my token of
No
appreciation.
problem.
Thank you.
You know where the store is.
I do not know where the store is.
Want me to show?
Yes. Please. Please, 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 please. I just realized this place
Okay,
is
so
a
with
dog.
Dark I got lost, but not so much.
Okay. Weapons. AK-47. Ooh. Oh my God, I need one more to get the AK-74. I'll get the Remington. And bullets. I need bullets. Okay. Handgun ammo. Look how much money I have, bro. Get your money up, not your funny up, bro.
Me gonna sleep low.
Thank you, bro. Thank you. Genuinely the GOAT, bro. Anyways, what time is it right now? It is 3:12. You know what? Dog boy deserved my friend request. I need to find a lockpick, and I need to find one fast, dude. Okay, you know what? My best bet is just following someone that I know might be going to the boiler. It won't be any use if I just... Oh, that's canned tomato. It won't be any use if I just raw dog this. Okay, hold on. This is the plan. I'm going to help this person, and hopefully...
Thanks.
Do you know where boiler is? This is the method, bro. This is the method. You get their loyalty, bro.
I don't know, but
I
I
don't know
know
this,
where
but-
the door you need a card is at.
Okay. Okay, this is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. Oh my God. You know, this is what kindness brings you. And that's why you should always spread kindness. Not badness. I really need a lockpick too. Okay. I can't open these. Oh my god, he has a lockpick! Oh! The goat, bro. Oh my god, they have a lockpick. This is a moment in history, dude. Did you get a key card? Nope, you did not get a key card. This might be a little difficult, but we can do it. We can do it under an hour. What are they gonna drop? Ooh. Yo, he just like flexed. Just flexed on me, bro. Please. Boom. 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 My card, bro. Dude, I'm actually losing my mind.
It's taking a bit to find a card.
Yo, bit is an understatement, bro. Stupid. Okay, it's more over here. More over here? Nope. All the way over here. No, over here. It's right here. Oh, I'm level 10. Required XP level is now 2000? What does that mean? Am I just the goat? Okay, 113 1790. What you mean, bro? We're not contesting. We're not contesting. Just go, 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 go. Okay. Oh no, mames. Okay, no, this is a pretty bad spot to be in. Not even gonna hold you. 79707. Usually there's like hordes of them here. That'd be good. Yeah, that's good. Oh shit! I'm dissolving. I'm dissolving. I'm dissolving. Is that the room? Oh my god. Oh my god. The boiler room. Oh my god. I don't like that sound. Oh shit. Uh-oh. That is not a good sound. An AK-47 is pretty good. Oh, and I'm dying. It is over. Let's see what I could have gone if I lived. Oh, I can't. Oh, it's over. Well, that is a very bittersweet ending. I kind of threw at the end, dude. I got nervous. It's 3:48, which I got done a little early. You know what, bro? Yeah, I'm not doing this, bro. I'm done, bro. Yeah, I'm ending the video here, bro. I'm rage quitting. I'm not too good at this game. I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but yeah. Thank you for watching. See ya.